Question says if y is equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus tan x into y is equal to sin x, where x is between 0 to pi by 3 with y of 0 to be equal to 0, then y of pi by 4 is equal to. Now we solve this equation by this method of finding the integration factor and then replacing it with the one in the differential equation. So in this we have the differential factor to be equal to tan x into y. So therefore we have integration factor as tan x over here. So therefore integration factor will be equal to e raised to integration of tan x dx, which is equal to e raised to ln of sec x. Now there is the power ln of sec x. When we take sec x out of here and raise the power of e over here, we have ln of e, which is equal to 1. Therefore we have the integration factor as sec. Now the solution of the equation can be found out as y into sec of x, that is y into integration factor, is equal to integral of sin x into sec x dx. So therefore we have y upon cos x is equal to ln of sec x plus c. Now it is given to us that y of 0 is equal to 0. So therefore when we put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, we have c's value to be equal to 0. So therefore the equation now which we have is y is equal to cos x into ln of sec of x. Now when we put x value to be equal to pi by 4, that is what the question is asking us. We have y to be equal to 1 upon cos of x, which is equal to 1 upon root 2 into ln of sec x, which is equal to sec pi by 4, which is root 2. So therefore we have y's value to be equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 into ln 2. So therefore we have y's value as ln 2 into 2 root ln 2 upon 2 root 2.